Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing these. They're a snack wrap, and the great thing is you can do them in about 10 minutes. Great for lunch, dinner, snack, whatever you like. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So what I've got here is, I'd say about a 9-inch flour tortilla. Then I'm simply going to spread some mayo onto the center. And you can use the mayo of your choice. After that, some shredded lettuce. I'm going to use a lot here because I just love fresh veggies. Some tomatoes, or tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. A few cucumbers, and these are about as fresh as you get. A couple of slices of cheese. I'm using jalapeno here, but you can use the cheese of your choice. And a few strips of chicken breasts. And these are pre-cooked, they're seasoned, absolutely delicious. And you can buy them in any store. I got mine at Walmart, but it really doesn't matter. And of course I gotta season this up with some salt. And my favorite spice of all time, ground black pepper. And squeeze in a pinch of fresh lemon juice. Guys, you're not going to find a better wrap than this anywhere. Okay, now it's time to fold, so I'm just going to grab one end and we're just going to do the tuck and fold so it looks real pretty. Now let's heat these up in an oven or a pan. You can even do it on a grill, it's entirely up to you. And I should mention, you should heat these on the full side down. And this is only going to take a few minutes, just until they're browned a bit. And there you have it, guys, our 10-minute chicken snack wraps. Incredibly delicious. Okay guys, let's cut into this and give it a taste test. You know, I love that pop of freshness of the veggies. The chicken is delicious. The wrap is light. Just absolutely incredible. You gotta do this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. We'll see you next time.